Hi everyone. So today we'll see why do we use a super. Okay. So super is used to call parent class constructor. Okay. So super is used to invoke a parent class constructor so that inherited properties and methods are initialized before child class starts. Okay. So we can use properties of parent class constructor from that. So with this one example we can see. So we'll first create a class animal. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Then we are creating constructor name. In that we're creating this dot name equals to name. Fine. Then we're creating one more class actually, that is dog, and we are extending this animals to the dog. Okay, fine. So now ask yourself, why did I write extend here? So because I want to use everything from animal, right? I mean, we can reuse everything from animal, right? That's where we are extending this class. So instead of writing this dot name equals to name, again I simply say super name. Okay, like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's not like that. We can create first constructor. Okay. Yeah. So this is how we can do it. Okay. So, but why doesn't JavaScript allow this? I mean, instead of this one, we can do these things also right here. Fine. So let us, I mean, if you do this thing right, this dot name is equals to name. So JavaScript get confused actually. So I mean, you're extending animal. Okay, should I run animals constructor or not? So this question arises right from the JavaScript point of view. Should I extend? I mean, if you're extending this one, so should I mean, run this animal constructor or not? This one, this will be arises right. Yeah. So if it's allowed, both parent and child might initialize the same properties differently, right? Yeah. So leading inconsistent objects for this one. So JavaScript enforce one clear rule here. So if you are extending another class, means parent constructor must run first. Okay, that's why parent initializes its part of object and then child adds or overrides its own properties. Yeah, this is the thing actually. Yeah, thank you.